Hey, what's up, guys? This is Maverick Giga, and welcome guys to another video. And yeah, Roblox just broke for me. I don't know why did that do, but yeah, you guys don't have to worry. But you have to join a game to get these items. Yeah, I know you guys are here for the AO2 items. So to get them, you have to join a game, and yes, I don't know, but if I can, then I will be uh, just keeping the link in the description so that you guys can join this game and get it. But yeah, I'm kind of late, but yeah. So you need these things, but actually, well, actually, I'm not gonna get those things for now because yeah, or else it's gonna be taking a while. But I think in this video I'm gonna be showing you how you can get the vector thingy, that dance pad thingy. I don't. I think that's not really a dance pad, but I will be showing you how you can get these. In the video, I will be just getting those two, the moon blade and that vector thingy, and the blade and the that thing. So for the that thing, this Arthro package, it shouldn't be unlocked. So to unlock it, you actually need to collect some robots, and yeah, collecting robots will also help you get these things. Let me just collect here. You will see some robots just on the map, and some of them are hard to get, and some of them are literally easy, and some of them are just you have to just parkour. And yeah, you have to get some of these, then I think it will unlock that thing. So yeah, I got it on my alt, the vector thingy. So yeah, you need to parkour. If you see these teleporters, just go there. And yeah, this one you want to be careful. So what you want to do is actually jump from there to the corner, because or else it won't. Okay, so yeah, you want to just jump on the corner, because or else yeah, you might fall off the edge. And yeah, and sometimes the robot just spawns here and there. It didn't spawn for me. Oh, there's one right there. There's another one there. Yeah, it's random. Yeah, it's like random. Yeah, I fall off there. Yeah, you have to be careful there. But yeah, here's one right here. Now I have two of the robots, and here's another. Okay, so I just rejoined because yeah, there was a problem. Yeah, so yeah, I also increased my volume. Let me just lower it down because it's so high. You guys won't be able to hear me. But yeah, so I found a trick, and yeah, I got 22 of them, and now I can get the moon blade and the vector. I mean, no, I cannot get those two, but yeah. So if you want these, it's more easy. Okay, so yeah, so if you rejoin, then yeah, the robots just respawn. So that's a good, because if you get them and they are not respawning in time, and you don't really have that much time, you can just rejoin the game, and then you will just get those. And yeah, let me just try to get 30 of those, because then I can get the moon blade and the vector, because yeah, vector costs 10 robots. And well, if you take those, yeah, it's like a shop. Think these robots are coins. Yeah, so it's not like that if you buy one, then your robots will not be coming down. Don't think that, because yeah, I tried it on my alt, but it didn't work. That's why that's why I'm collecting these much of at the same time. But yeah, Yeah, I also am charging my mobile because the charge, you can just see that. You guys just saw that. Okay. So to get up this one, you don't really have to do that much parkour. You can just do this. Here's a tip for you guys. Do this. Yeah, just go over this thing, and then you wanna just carefully go up that thingy, that curved leaf over that light thingy. Okay, it's kind of hard to explain, and yeah, to do this thing. Yeah, it sometimes works and sometimes doesn't. So you need a lot of tries, and yeah, I did it. I don't know how did I do that, but yeah, it glitched me up there by jumping. So after coming up here, you wanna just okay, don't make me stuck there. You wanna go up this thing, this horn thingy. You wanna stand on it, and then you wanna go up this, and yeah, here it is. You will be here, and yeah, there should be a robot here, but it didn't spawn for me in this server. So after that, what you wanna do is go to this one, and it will teleport you from there to here, which is good. Yeah, I have two robots here. It might not be same for you guys because it spawns randomly. Yeah, which makes the game a lot harder because obviously Roblox wanted this thing not that much easier. So for this one, yeah. Also, you have to do this one fast because or else you might not be able to like pass this one because they move, and if you fail, you will just go down there, and it won't teleport you till there. Wait, it spawned from you, and yeah, that one teleports you from there to there. Wait, it spawned there. So you mean that I have to go up there to get this one? Okay. Looks like I'm stupid. I shouldn't have done that. Yeah, I'm stupid. Let me just try to get this one. Yes, there it is. I'll just fall off, and it will just teleport me here. Let me just go to this one teleportation thingy. And now let me just go up here. And yes, here it is. Oh my god. Okay, I was almost going to fall there. But yeah, I don't know what's this for. I don't know if this is checkpoint thingy. Oh yes, look at it. There's another checkpoint. I mean, no, another robot. So where are the next one? Okay, there are some there. I'm not fall. I don't know how to get there without like doing that thing. Okay, I thought I would be able to do that, but yeah, I'm not going from that long. I'm just gonna be doing this. Yeah, I found this trick. I didn't watch on YouTube. I found this trick while my video was paused. If these things doesn't really respawn and you don't have that much time, you can just leave the game and rejoin. Oh, there's one right there. It spawned again for me. Let me just get this one, and I have 34 of them, and I think collecting a lot of them will actually unlock that thing, but you still need 50 of those. Yeah, like literally 50 of them. So after getting these, you wanna, yes, it will show this. Yeah, just click on the yellow thingy, then it will show, and you guys can see it just took away 10 robots, and yeah, I got a badge. You just collect this one too, and yeah, if you don't have enough points, it should show another Chinese message. I don't know what they say that because I don't really know Chinese. Yeah, so I'm just gonna be trying to get this. I mean those other things after this video ends. I will be just ending the video, and yeah, that's how you get these items. I didn't show all of the items because yeah, it would have taken like a lot of time, like 30 minutes. Yeah, it's already 10 minutes in the video, but yeah, so subscribe. And yeah, I don't know I don't know why am I in here, but yeah, let me just try the easier ones. And wait, can you actually go up these ones like without doing those things? No, you cannot go up this one. But yeah, are there any more respawn? Yes, there is one. That's one right there, and I have 5 of them. Yeah, I will be just trying to get the blade, I mean the slasher and the arthro package. Then I will be getting the rest of the items in my alt, because yeah, I am collecting things on my alt, but yeah, I missed that. Okay, please save me. Okay, I'm not able to go there. Let me just jump off this thing. Let me just jump off here. Just try to get this one, then I will be just ending the video. Yes, here it is. And yeah, that's how you get the AO2, I think that's how you say it, AO2 items. But yeah, the and yeah, if you guys say which one is my favorite is the slasher actually. I thought the slasher would have been for Robux, but actually no, it's not for Robux. So that's good then, because yeah, I'm first time seeing item which is very cool and not for Robux. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Subscribe and like and follow me on Roblox to join me in games whenever I'm playing, and yeah, hit the notification bell. After subscribing, and yeah, not subscribing, yeah, that's subscribing. I'm not trying to be a little sus here. Yeah, I saw someone with the display name sus. Okay, that's kind of sus, I shouldn't say that, but yeah, that's how you get these items. Yeah, I didn't got all of the items in the video, but yeah, that's how you can get these items. But yeah, I think I'm late for this video to upload, and yeah, write in the comment section. Yes, I will be opening the comment section, that what color does it change to when you're when you hit the like button. Yeah, say it in the comment section. Yeah, because yeah, I don't want to know it myself, because or else yeah, okay, I have no reason for that, like okay, I just fall off. Oh look, this guy got the 21 pilots event item. Yeah, I also have it. Wow, he also has the icy side, which I also have. Wow, I really needed the monkey safari hat and the bombastic bling. I couldn't get it. And the moon blade is literally just hi. Okay, yeah, you guys say it in the comment section which color does it turn to, and yeah. And also follow me on Roblox to join me in games whenever I'm playing. Peace out.